Picture yourself in the 2022 Toyota Sienna. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Take peace of mind along on every family drive when you're in this stylish Sienna. Its cutting-edge technology keeps your passengers safe, connected, and entertained, while its spacious, luxurious cabin creates a relaxing environment for all. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, wood grain interior trim, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitor. Treat yourself to a test drive in this smart and stunning Sienna. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff will tailor your experience to meet your unique needs.